Hello, I use The 100 Hungry Ants by Eleanor J. Pences and illustrated by Bonnie McCain as my book. And after I read the book to the students, I'm going to talk to the kids about how the ants were broken up into different groups. So there were 100 ants, and if I broke it up into two sets of 50, are there still 100 ants, or is the amount of ants changed? So we're going to go through problems like that and give a few different examples and go over that to lead to the main part of the lesson, which is, sorry for the reflection of my glasses, which is the students will be broken up into groups of two, and one person's going to be a recorder while the other person is going to lay the ants down. They're going to have laminated little pant legs and laminated ants, 20 of them. And we're going to start off by putting 5 ants on one leg and 5 ants on the other pant leg. And then ask them how much that equals, and 10. And then I'm going to ask them to rearrange the groupings. So maybe over here there's 9 ants, and one over here there's only 1, and that equals 10. And even though the groupings are different, there's still the exact same amount of ants. So I'm going to have them have time to do that and go through a whole bunch of different scenarios and have them make sure that they go through every answer possible. And then for beyond, the kids will still be in groups, and then they're going to use all the ants that they had, because at first they only used 10 ants, and now they're going to be using all 20 of the ants, and ask them if to try and find 11 ants, 12 ants, and so on and so forth. And the same kind of concept, if I have 5 ants on this leg and 6 ants on this leg, and it equals 11, but then if I switch it around, do I still have 11? So that's kind of the concept, is by grouping, and then the recorder will record everything down. And then into the class, we can share our findings with one another and make sure that everyone understood the problems. Again, I apologize that I don't sound good, I don't feel good, and that there's a glare on my glasses, but I have to have them on to see. Thank you.